Nobody knows what Eddie Vedder says. You know he actually doesn't speak English?
Well, ever?
No.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
What's up, Griddle Nation? I'm CJ, the Blackstone bartender, and today we are enjoying our staycation, and because of that staycation situation, we've been cooking some really tasty burgers on the Blackstone, some fun stuff.
We've been live a bunch, too.
Doing tons
Todd
of live.
and Betty, too.
And because of that, well, when we're cooking, we're drinking. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make a fun cocktail. This is the Buck Hunter, and it is a bourbon-based drink. It's super delicious, quick and easy. We're gonna need a shaker, some lemon, some Angostura bitters, some ginger ale, and then a bourbon of your choice. Today we are using Wild Turkey. I just love the punch of Wild Turkey. Nate, you're more of like a mellow, like smoother.
I'm a fan of the rye bourbon.
I like rye. I don't
It's the black
love
licorice
rye.
kind of flavor.
Yeah, and that's a big turnoff. To get started, I'm first gonna go get some ice for the shaker.
Ice trip.
Be right back.
Hey,
Yours,
welcome,
all right?
welcome back.
Thanks, guy. Had to acquire some ice in the shaker. So we're gonna get started. This is a really simple one. Cocktails, the difference between just pouring a drink and a cocktail is really just one or two other simple ingredients. And so this could be one of those simple ones that you leave the lemon inside for.
Lemon?
Lemon.
Lemon break. There he goes.
Forgot to let the seeds! All right, like I was saying.
Short jaw guy.
Yeah. Couple ingredients is really what sets apart a cocktail from just a drink. You know, I love just Coke and whiskey, but you add a couple things like this, and then you got like a fun little extra cocktail going on. So we're gonna add some lemon juice. Staycationing is shape.
Your lemon juice totally
I just got it on the. Oh! Not gonna. That's not good. I'm not happy. Oh no, things are escalating.
It's on my monitor on this side. How did it get all the way?
You underestimate my sneakiness.
We're back.
All right,
All right,
so
lemons.
now you could go with a lot of lemon juice, or just enough to give it that nice citrus punch, which I think that's what we're gonna do. Then we're gonna add a little bit of Angostura bitters, a couple dashes of this, because man, those you like bitters, Nate?
I love it,
dude.
man.
They are
Super
so
good.
good. I'm gonna add 2 or 3 dashes in there. Those dashes will go a long way. Then, because I'm making a couple cocktails, I'm gonna add 2 or 3 ounces of bourbon here. We're gonna give this a shake. As Bruce Mitchell says, shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty.
Butter.
Nope, you shake your butter.
Shake, 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 shake your booty. No, it's shake, 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 shake your butter.
So just gonna chill this out. The main reason we're doing this is because what we're gonna be doing with our ice in just a minute. We wanna get our ingredients nice and chilly. Ginger ale break.
You remember anything?
Here we go. So now that our ingredients here are chilled, we're gonna have some fun because Nate and I have actually been getting into kind of making our own awesome
Wow,
ice.
show me that again.
Yeah, dude.
It's good looking ice.
Right? And so if our ingredients are cold before we pour them on the ice, then the integrity of our ice stays intact. Now, it's fun to be able to see the ingredients, but this shaker is actually pretty
Getting stuck there, guy?
pretty shady.
Oh, beauty.
How's that?
Good looking.
Ah, man.
Oh, making it even for us, buddy.
Don't want to be stingy.
I appreciate you.
Now that we've got that, we're gonna top it off because we are totally getting into this Canada Dry bold. It's good, great flavor. We're literally gonna just top it off. And then we're gonna do this. So I can get a straight line out here, a straighter line. We've got 2 quick Buck Hunters to impress your friends
Man, that's
and
good looking.
to enjoy your staycations with. So Nate, you ready, bro?
One of those for me?
One of them is for you. Actually, they're both for me.
Well, this guy.
I know. Here you go. I'm kind. So cheers, buddy. Cheers to cocktails on a staycation. And I hope you enjoy this.
Hey, what would you drink this with?
Ooh, because we're bourbon based, this will go great with any kind of red meat. So burgers are awesome, steaks are awesome.
Oh, that ginger has a good little brightness to it.
I know,
I might go chicken or fish with this.
You could, you'd be wrong.
You'd be wrong.
Oh, that's good. For the staycation world, you got your simple little cocktail like so. For more recipes like this and others, please be sure to visit blackstoneproducts.com. I am your host.
You doing my exit. Until next time, cheers.
Let's quit stealing my lines. Freaking jerk. Cheers.